How's it going, everyone? Hope everyone had a great holiday and a great New Year's. I wanted to start off 2023 with a bang, so I'm going to go back to a snake that we picked up a few months ago. Haven't had a chance to put it on video yet, so I thought it was a great way to start off 2023. I want to start off the year, though, by getting everyone's comments down below on projects that you guys are all excited for this year. I kind of want to interact with a little bit more and see what everyone's kind of getting into and what everyone's excited for. So make sure you drop a comment below. And while you're at it, hit the subscribe button. But we'll get right into it and I'll show you guys what we picked up. So today we're going to be showing off our pickup from Dean over at Canadian Balls. This is our Enchi double het Desert Ghost Clown. This is a male we picked up so that we could get into the Desert Ghost Clown project. I am stacking up on different Desert Ghost stuff right now. I thought this was a great add for our collection. I picked up a male so that we could do some double hets of our own. I know that they'll only be 50%, but we're in it for the long run, so making it a long-term project works for us. We can get lots of other genes in it that way. And then in the future, we can also get a female to grow up, or we can produce some of our own females. And we're okay with doing it the long route because it's a project that we're getting into a little late, but I think there's a long term for this project, so I'm okay with doing it the long run. Desert Ghost is just going to be great to add to everything. I got into Clown a little bit later than I would have liked to, but I think that Clown's going to be around forever, so I don't think there's really a very bad time to get into the project. And the best time to plant a tree was 3 years ago, but the second best time is right now. So that's the philosophy I use for a lot of projects that I get into. Doesn't mean that you can't get into it just because you didn't right at the start, and there's no time that's better than right now if you've not gotten into it already. And that goes for any project or anything that you're doing in life. But this is the boy that we got from Dean, and I think he's going to be great. The Enchi, I think, works well with Desert Ghost. I'm not a huge fan of Enchi and Clown, but it's still a good male to have. And like I said, I can add him to a lot of different genes and it will work out good. So Lincoln also wanted to show off the snake because this is his first snake. His first ball python. Linky, does this snake have a name?
No.
No, not yet.
Oh, what's here?
Oh, that's its name? That says Enchi Double Het Desert Ghost Clown. Is that its name?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it a boy or a girl? Is it a boy?
No.
No, it's not. Really?
Hey, what's in there?
Yeah, is that its bin right there?
No, I'm giving.
Oh, it's got water?
Yeah, why?
Because they drink their water.
What is bacon?
Yeah, all the big ones got water too.
What that one?
That is a pastel het pied.
What that one? What's bacon?
That's our pinstripe.
Oh, what's that one?
Thanks everyone for tuning in for another vlog. Make sure you leave a comment down below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, share to all your friends, and we'll catch you next time. Have a good one.